Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a product designed for those who take their nail care seriously. The V-Beauty Pure VUnit Professional E-File Nail Drill Kit. Whether you're a nail technician or someone who enjoys doing your own manicures and pedicures at home, this electric nail file promises to deliver high-speed performance and precision. So let's break down how this product really performs and whether it lives up to its claims. The VUnit E-File is a high-performance nail drill tool that promises to make your nail treatments smoother, faster, and more precise. It operates at a powerful 35,000 RPM, which is certainly on the high end for a device like this. The kit is compatible with 332 size bits, which are standard for most professional-grade nail files. This is a versatile tool designed for use with both manicures, pedicures, and even intricate 3D nail art. You also get a 110-volt, 220-volt controller, and a convenient carrying bag with a belt for easy portability, which is great for nail technicians on the go. One of the standout features of this e-file is its brushless motor. The advantage of a brushless motor is that it runs quieter and with less vibration, which not only makes it more pleasant to use, but also contributes to the tool's longevity. We all know how annoying a noisy or shaky e-file can be, so I'm curious to see how this one stacks up in terms of comfort during use. The design is also worth mentioning. It's portable and lightweight, which means it's easy to hold for long periods without feeling fatigued. And the 10+ hour battery life? That's a serious plus if you're using it for long sessions, whether at a salon or for DIY at home. Now let's get into the real-world testing. During my time using the VUnit E-File, I was able to adjust the speed to my liking, starting with a lower speed for delicate cuticle work and ramping it up for heavier-duty filing. The variable speed control is incredibly smooth, making it easy to fine-tune for different nail applications. I tested it on both natural nails and acrylics, and the performance was solid across both. The device itself feels well-made and sturdy, and despite its high speed, it was relatively quiet and vibration-free. I was able to use it for an extended period without any discomfort or fatigue, thanks to its ergonomic design and low noise level. However, no product is perfect. While the portability and long battery life are impressive, I did find that the lack of a cord for charging meant I had to plan my sessions carefully. If you're someone who forgets to charge devices regularly, this could be a slight inconvenience. But for most users, the battery life should more than suffice for multiple sessions. Let's talk pros and cons. Pros: high-speed performance, up to 35,000 RPM for professional quality results. Brushless motor for minimal noise and vibration, making it more comfortable to use for extended periods. Long battery life of 10+ hours, which is great for both professional and home use. Versatile and adjustable speed control, making it suitable for a variety of nail applications. The portable, lightweight design is easy to hold and carry, perfect for on-the-go use. Cons: the lack of a corded option may require extra planning for battery recharging, particularly during long sessions. Some may find it a bit pricey compared to basic models, but the performance justifies the price for professionals. When it comes to value for money, I think this product strikes a good balance. It's certainly not the cheapest e-file on the market, but for its features and performance, it's definitely competitive. The 35,000 RPM brushless motor and long battery life are all premium features that you typically find in high-end models, and I think it's well worth the investment if you're looking for precision and ease of use. If you're on the hunt for alternatives, there are some budget-friendly e-files out there but you might not get the same level of performance or the additional features that come with the VUnit E-File. If the price is a concern, but you're still looking for something reliable, you could check out some other reputable brands that offer similar RPM speeds, but at a lower price point, though they may come with fewer bells and whistles. In terms of build quality, this e-file feels robust and durable. The motor's brushless design is a plus for longevity, and the materials used in the construction of the device give it a professional feel. As for how long it lasts, I can see this being a tool that holds up well with consistent use, especially since it's designed to withstand long hours of operation. I haven't had a chance to directly interact with customer service for this brand, But based on their reputation for producing professional-grade tools, I expect their customer service to be responsive and helpful should you need it. To wrap things up, the Pure VUnit Professional E-File Nail Drill Kit is a solid choice for anyone looking for precision and power in their nail care routine. Its high-speed performance, brushless motor, and portability make it an excellent option for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. It's a bit of an investment, but if you're serious about your nails and need a tool that's up for the job, this one could be worth the price. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. You can find the link to purchase the Pure VUnit E-File in the description or comments below. And if you've used this product, drop a comment to share your thoughts with us. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.